Taragi Cheisu has appealed to the people for an introspection to realizing interest of the state while exercising their franchise. A press conference was held today at the office of Taragi Cheisu, situated at Khurai Ahongay. Speaking to media, Chairman Khaidem Mani asserted that politics in the state is at its lowest level. As such, he appealed to the voters to exercise their franchise in the interest of the state instead of political parties. Khaidem Mani said that repeated appeals of senior citizens to hold Lok Sabha election only after the crisis is resolved have been ignored. The chairman further appealed to the voters to choose candidate of their choice and not to succumb to any influences. He also urged the voters to exercise their franchise without fail to avoid any unwanted results. Taragi Cheisu Vice Chairman Pri Sonamani, Chairman Legal Wing A. Nautuneshwari, Secretary General Professor Dhakeshwar Potsangbam also attended the press meet.
Prajasingna free and fair election ki matung ina apa makhan bai bisi moi ki right ni fundamental right ni kana gumta na masi thingba yate adugumba free and fair do akoi laira bana patta tanu pai lai tabadegi adugumba adugi meeting adu chatpadru pasanga pangi lau jaba yade haidana kana gumma lauba yauraga su sanga adu dati magi punsi di gon thokana ba ma lupa sanga laurabadi siki amagi manse nongmada ai life si yon to eba chai manga se nongmada par de da siki gi reta yon to madugumba ai gi icha gi mai masing tambagi policy program lep ka daba chai gi budget chachanda bharat punam ke khanna bada manipur ge su yauru ga daba policy program aduda huran baya ba huran da baya ba adugumba sida koina karamba mibu thagadege karamba party thagadege haibisi kupna khanba madarkar le.
Legal Wing Chairman of Taragi Cheisu, A. Nautuneshwari, said that many unwanted incidents of intimidation had taken place inflicted by armed miscreants in the run-up to the polls. However, the Election Commission is turning a blind eye, she said, adding that she drew attention of ECI and police to take befitting action against those disturbing the election process.
Manipur ki intelligence ti lei department kari bi da mota senior citizen oira ba praja koina pawada source mayam phangla bada koina kali dumina rei ba makoi ki power abuse to hninge masi unfair practice ase what from the police side intelligence side amasung election commission of india degi akan mamieng sang dragadi hen phatta be hinsa oibian aduna koi ki right to vote sida contest the candidate singhi isa gi apam do khanbagi right lei madu khanjaraga kana gumana sen leige ai wakal jo khanbi anu madu apikpa wakaloni madugi wakalon duna ai se mangna gi masa adu boibani haibase khandrabi ba pai aduna kari sunata bada akoi ireisa masen sidai sida amana amagi hinsa sijinarega aina ngamba sak ko pose akoi akon bada kaidongi akoi ireisa khujingma pulak na lubinagani